Hey guys, what's happening and welcome back to our channel. Ariana Grande is one of the biggest pop stars on the planet with one of the largest followings ever. It's expected of celebrities to spend a large part of their giant fortunes on vehicles for many different reasons. Ariana is no different, so let's take a look inside Ariana Grande's luxurious car collection. Number 5. The success story and the net worth of Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande rose to fame at an early age after deciding and being extremely clear about her career objective of becoming a singer and actor as a child. As a result, her upbringing is solely focused on that goal or aim. She's received numerous awards in the music industry, including the Guinness World Record. After attending North Broward Preparatory School, Ariana Grande began working on her first album when she was 15 years old. Ariana began her acting career on television when she was cast as Cat Valentine in Nickelodeon's Victorious 2013. Land Rover Range Rover Sport, Mercedes Mybach S600, Cadillac Escalade, Mercedes-Benz Amg G63, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class are among Ariana Grande's possessions. Ariana Grande's net worth is estimated to be in the $150 million range. Ariana has over 235 million Instagram followers. Here, we'll be taking a look at Ariana Grande's car collection. According to some accounts, Ariana is the sole owner of only one of her vehicles. All of the other vehicles were either donated to her for use or as a kind of sponsorship. Number 4. Land Range Rover Sport. Ariana Grande owns a white Range Rover Sport Land Rover. She's been seen in this automobile on numerous occasions. The S3.0 diesel comes with a motor that produces 255 brake horsepower at 4,000 RPM and 600 Nm at 200 RPM in terms of maximum force and torque. The Land Rover Range Rover Sport S3.0 diesel engine has a displacement of 2,993 cc and is equipped with 6 V-shaped cylinders, 6 airbags, a tire pressure monitoring system, and a seatbelt warning system are among the car's safety features. A digital instrument cluster and an Apple CarPlay infotainment system are included in the vehicle. The car is valued at around $70,000. Number 3. Mercedes Mybach S600. Ariana owns a Mercedes Mybach S600, and the car's primary aim is to provide comfort. It helps that it's a Mercedes as well. Ariana happens to possess one of these stunning pieces. Not surprising in the least, after all, this beauty is deserving of it. Ariana obviously makes a lot of money from her concerts, so she travels quite frequently. This Mybach S600 has all the comfort features that a hardworking individual like Ariana Grande requires. The Mercedes Mybach S600 has a top speed of roughly 250 kilometers. The acceleration time from 0 to 100 is 5 seconds, which is excellent and quick. The 6-liter V12 petrol engine is really attractive. The car is valued at just about $190,000. Number 2. Cadillac Escalade. Ariana Grande was also named the highest paid female musician on Forbes' 2020 Celebrity 100 lists. She has stated in some interviews that she doesn't regard herself as a fashion model, but you have to disagree with her because she is stunning. Ariana's wish is granted. She's the fortunate one after all. Ariana purchased a Cadillac Escalade because it has more interior space and is ideal for traveling. It can also be used as a vanity van on occasion. Another lengthy luxury SUV in her inventory is the Escalade. Cadillac Escalade is a popular vehicle among Hollywood celebrities, particularly in the United States. This spacious beauty is owned by every celebrity for its incredible experience. Also, a unique feature of this extended SUV is that its back section can be converted into additional storage space. So if you need to transport extra items, this SUV is ideal. The actress owns a Cadillac Escalade ESV, which is one of the most luxurious vehicles that she owns. Her ESV model is valued at almost $100,000. Extended or Escalade Stretch Vehicle is the abbreviation for ESV. It's a 7-seater car with an 8-speed automated transmission and a V8 engine. The engine generates 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It's valued at around $90,000. Number 1. The Mercedes-Benz Amg G63. Ariana owns another Mercedes-Benz vehicle in the name of AMG G63. Many celebs possess this model, and Ariana Grande is a fan of it as well. This car has a boxy and rather unusual style that makes you stick out among the crowd. This big and powerful SUV has a variety of effects on onlookers. The car's enormous and powerful appearance makes the guy sitting inside stand out. The fact that influential people purchase Mercedes-Benz AMG G63s is the cause behind this. The Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 is a high-performance sports car. This car is one of the company's most powerful and attractive vehicles. There are 4 seats available. The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG has an automated transmission and an 8-cylinder 4-liter V8 petrol engine that produces 585 bhp. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.9 seconds. The car's top speed is 220 km per hour. It costs roughly $400,000 in the United States. So do let us know your favorite Ariana Grande car in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!